Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Last night my family and I spent the night at Okuma Beach Resort. It is up in the north of Okinawa, about 30 minutes from Nago, and it was really fun. We went jet skiing, skimboarding, and did some other things here. But today we are going to a waterfall hike that is about 25 minutes. It's on our way back to our house, and it should be really fun. But first we have to go to breakfast. A few hours after breakfast, I was sad to say bye to Okuma, but luckily, we were off to the waterfalls. Okay guys, we have arrived. This waterfall is actually really cool. So I am gonna put away my main camera now, my phone, and then I'm gonna get out my GoPro. Okay guys, I am on my GoPro now. Let's head off to the waterfall. Oh, that's cold. That's very cold. I was really excited to share this experience that I had already had with my parents and show them a new part of nature that they had never seen, and for us all to make new memories together. This is probably the scariest / most fun part of the waterfall, is you get to climb up this little one, but you have to swim through this water to get there. So I'm gonna put the GoPro away so that I don't lose it, and then I'm gonna climb up that waterfall. This is the sketchy part. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I made it up that huge waterfall. Now I have to just walk through. Now I just have to walk through here, and then we should be at the main waterfall soon. And someone just fell. This is so fun. I love this. It's gotten a lot colder since the last time I went, but it's still super fun. So we have made it. Here is the waterfall. Okay, so we are leaving the big waterfall now, and we're gonna head back this way, hopefully get some more good B-roll, and then hopefully jump off of this cliff from that first small waterfall. It's about 15 feet up, I would say. Maybe I'm over-exaggerating a little bit, but it is pretty high up, and I am super excited to do that again if I can. In the end, we weren't able to jump off the cliffs at the waterfalls. But it didn't matter because we still had a great time experiencing new things and making memories that will last a lifetime. And in the grand scheme of things, it didn't really matter what we did as long as we were doing it together. And that's what this whole trip was about. See you in the next video.